in Japan. So you're also using Japan's technology. Wow. So check it out, this is the culture. You may watch this now as your Ninong and his family.
As long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry C. Kingoff, Philippine Business.
Arise, take your place, be enthroned on our praise. Arise, King of Kings, Holy God, as we sing.
What's up to all of you? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And today is another episode that you will discover here in Ninong sa Japan, the episode 30. So last time, we do in episode 29 is all about the Mother's Day, to pay tribute to our mothers and special shout out and collaboration to all OFW and non-OFW mothers that is staying and sustain and to love and to support for their family and for their children as well. So today in our episode 30, we will give you is the Father's Day special. Yes, it's a special tribute to give you to all fathers in the world and also in Japan, the Philippines, OFW and non-OFW, and also a pure Japanese daddies that we give you. And before we start, the official time here in the Philippines, 4:33 p.m. and in Japan it's 5:33 p.m. So mushi mushi, arigato. And in Japan, I know the people there is preparing for their gohan time or their dinner time. They are cooking and then they are having their Japanese rice or their shiitake mushroom, their ramen, something like that. But here in the Philippines, it's only a snack time, while the Japanese people is preparing for their dinner at this time. So mushi mushi to all of our watchers and subscribers is now the presentation that we will give you is all about Father's Day. And the father in Japanese or in Japanese word is otosan. Okay. Otosan means daddy, papa, dad, tatay, pudra, or any language that you can call to your daddy. Otosan in Japanese. So, your Ninong will present it here a Father's Day special together with my daddy Dennis Castro, me and daddy in Ayala Malls. This is in Makati City happen. That we visit in the garden, in the great environment, the paintings, and with the fishes. And we also tour in Makati City through the buildings, the Ayala Malls, and the luxury Greenbelt Mall. And of course, when we go for a pasyal or a road trip special and a great discovery, the food trip won't be absent here. So we also goes for Japanese food. And some of the food that we support other countries also. And we took a special ride in bus ride, diba? So you will check it out on the special Ninong sa Japan episode 30 is all about the Father's Day that me and my daddy Dennis have a special bonding that I treat him in the restaurant, in the bus, and in the gardens, and in the cities, the big buildings of the Makati City. So you will check it out. For after many months, me and my daddy Dennis meet again for our Father's Day special here at Ninong sa Japan, episode 30, and we will give you our bondings of pasyal and food trip with him.
Japan, yung mga puno, yung kung tawagin kanilang mga garden effect. Ito po yung mga fishes with daddy. Okay po.
Picture mo ko solo.
Sige, picture daw siya. Ano pa masasabi niyo sa mga isda? Well, kailan ka po ulit pumunta dito?
Tagal mo.
Oo.
1992.
Wala pa ako niyan.
Wala ka pa na.
Si Lolo pang nandun.
Tumanggalin ka.
Hi, nag-vlog din si Daddy.
Ako, picture, baba mo konti. Ay, ma-cellphone na. Ayun o.
Okay. So, okay ba yung mga fish? Okay ba? Pwede kayo ulamin to.
Dino na video.
Nagbi-video vlog din si
Oo.
Daddy. So, we are live here. Ninong sa Japan, Father's Day special. Ayan. Ayan. Ingat lang po, baka mag-swimming tayo. Hi, fish. Sige.
So they put
Yan po, ano po masasabi sa mga building? Alam niyo yan, Shangri-La?
doon ako nagtrabaho.
Oh, anong year?
1996.
96. Eh, wala na naman ako na. Kailan ba yung mga panahon na nandun lang?
Wala ako pa niya.
Ito tayo sa Ayala Museum. Picture lang tayo sa logo. Ayan. So, nandito kami sa Ayala Museum. Kanina lang pinasukan namin. Pinasukan talaga. Ayan, nag-picture-picture. And ito yung paligid ng De La Rosa. Alam niyo yung De La Rosa?
Ako sa akin.
Ay, sa likod namin. Opo. So, ngayon naman, pupunta kami sa SM Makati. Alam niyo kung saan siya papunta? Punta daw doon. Sige, let's go. Our lolo pong work here in Makati in Mandarin Hotel from 1980s to 2015. Naging presidente siya ng Mandarin Hotel at sa Mandarin Hotel nadaanan niya si FPJ na nag-shooting. Diba? Anong movie yun?
Partida.
Yung
Partida.
Partida. Kaya naging action star at naging matapang ang lolo pong namin. Na-inspired siya kay FPJ.
Dati yung ano ba ang kulay niyan?
Ano?
Kulay parang wala nang kulay na ito. Na-wax na eh.
Oh.
Kulay parang dark. Kulay na ito.
Dark,
Kulay dati.
dark white. Dark
Dark
white.
brown. Parang dark brown.
Dark brown. Okay, so dati yun yung Mandarin Hotel. Ngayon wala na.
Nakita mo yung mataas na yun?
Yes.
Yun yung tinayo ng bangko na yun.
Oh.
Dating Mandarin yun.
Yeah.
Hindi nakikita Mandarin.
Opo. So dati dyan nag-work si lolo po. As a president of Manila Mandarin Hotel. So ayan, nakikita nyo sa picture yung throwback niya. So ngayon, pinapasyalan namin to kasi ito yung isa sa mga best place. So dito niya nagawa ang kanyang journey sa Makati. Diba? So ano ba yung mga naalala mong bandings kasama siya dito sa Makati?
And shopping naman.
Shopping.
Yung bili ng mga damit.
Hinatid niyo pa siya dati sa Mandarin.
Hindi na. Kasi pag pauwi kami ata kasi alam ko pauwi na kami papunta pa lang.
O sige, ito na siya. Loko. Shout out dito sa picture na to. Kamukha ng lolo pong namin. Dito sa Makati. Yes, ayun siya. Yung nakamodel na yun. Kasi dito po sa Makati ay dating work ni shout out dito. So this is the inside of Greenbelt Mall. Pagpapalamig muna kami ni Daddy, titing-ting ng mga arts. So nabanggit niya kanina yung Ayala daw, kalaban ni Luis. Ay dito kayo, bati na sila. Kasi yung karugtong nito, may footbridge papuntang yung kasi Makati, may karugtong papuntang Glorieta. Yes. Saka meron din siyang slide sa pelikula na partnership sila yung mga Ayala Mall. Dapat connected din sa SM para yung mga after pumunta ng Ayala Mall, pupunta sa SM. Sa pelikula ko nandun sa Batang SM. Ayun. So this is the place kung saan nag-shopping sila noon Ilulopong with Mamu and Dad. Nung binata pa daw siya. Dito rin kayo ni Mami dati.
Bada kami dito. Dalas ko
Kasama na ako.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa ako makakasama.
Wala pa mami mo. Di ba? Maliit ka pala.
Nandito na rin ako noon. Ay, buti naman.
Makasap lang tayo.
Ay, yung SM Makati na pupunta natin.
Oo, doon kami sa kanya masakay.
Wala akong kamuang-muang. Nakapunta na pala ako SM Makati dati. Dito head mo. Okay. Itong Glorieta Mall, connected siya sa SM.
Oo, shortcut yun.
Yan daw yung yung dating earthquake 2007.
Ha?
Yung earthquake,
Earthquake?
yung parang nalindol.
Oo, bigyan mo siya.
Kasi yung isa sa mga worker, papa ni Joshua, dati kong best friend.
Yung Glorieta po, yung pinakasok ng Ram. Kilala mo si Senador Ipay.
Trillanes.
Oo, yun. Siya nabuno sa pinakasok yung Glorieta. Tapos pinakasok yung Pangke.
After we've spent a road trip in Makati, it's time for a food trip here at SM Makati. While we do the simulator, it's eating Japanese food.
Ito sa akin. Parehas lang tayo. Chicken Makati. Chicken. Nasa SM Makati. Ayan. Selfie ng food trip. Ayan. Sushi. Japan naman. Itong ating Japanese food. May Japan noodles. May chicken. Ayan. Anong masasabi mo? Ano bang Japanese ng kakain? Gohan. Ayun, very good. Gohan, ramen, dambe. Oishi. Sarap na sabihin. Oishi. Oishi. So, kain na tayo here at Inong sa Japan Mother's Day Special with Daddy. Ayan, mag-vlog na rin tayo. So, ayusin natin yung food natin. Meron din tayong gocha. Ito, Chinese food naman tong isa, sa Japan. Ito, nagbablog din siya. Oh, hello! Daddy Dennis YouTube channel. At nag-YouTube din siya. Okay, so ito naman yung ating gocha. A partner ng chicken noodles. Ayan. Ayan tayo. Okay. So, Daddy Dennis.
Ito pala na
Hindi pa. Dito sa food trip. Dito sa food trip. Tikman mo muna. Yeah. Anong lasa? Oishi. Japan.
Meron ano yung kinakain mo ano?
Ay, favorite ko.
Yung papel?
Opo, yung sushi.
Oo.
Nori. Yeah. The taste of Japanese. Diba? Ayan. Ang sasabi mo, nasa langit na tayo. Okay na. Okay, dito sa SM Sky. SM MOA Sky. Tawag dito. Opo. Doon pa yung palaruan. May mga naglalaro ng soccer ball. Opo. So kinakantahan tayo ng mga angels. Nandito tayo sa sky eh. May angel singers. Wow. Here we go here. SM Sky. Punta ko dito, walang naglalaro eh. Mainit pa kasi noon eh. Ito, may naglalaro na ngayon. Yan, defense! Ayan. Asan ba yung mga player yan? Yan. So dito kami ngayon sa soccer ball. Makikilaro kami. Makikilaro. Ayos. Dito sa Sky may mga maglalaro na rin. Ayan, SMDC, nakikita yung condo ni Enrique. SMDC. Ano yan? Shield Residence. Isa sa mga unang condo niya dito sa MOA. Hi people! Oh, ay sila. Laro-laro sila. Pansit. Pansit pasalubong for the sisters. Again po, pauwi na rin po kami. Masaya kami ma-discover ang home ni Tito Enrio, ang kanyang SM Makati. Ayun, so may pa Mother's Day na sila. Oo, Christmas pa rin dito. Oh, wow. Merry Christmas. Diba, araw-araw ay Pasko dito sa SM. Ayun. Ano pa sasabihin mo, Daddy?
Very good. Good.
Muli tayo nakapunta ng SM Makati. Nakapunta ka na dito dati, no?
Pinadaanan. Pinata pa ako.
Tilulupong mo pumupunta rin dito.
Oo, di mo sure ka minsan. Kaya ko lang ang pinadasa siguro.
Okay. This is SM Makati. Tara, punta tayo sa SM Makati. Ang unang department store ng Tito Enrio. So this is the Ace. Yeah, Ace.
after we do the pasyal and food trip, it's time to ride a bus. First time, me and my daddy did ride the PTX. And we're riding now for another ride.
Saan tayo? Pitex? Sakayan daw doon pasita-pasita.
Ayaw, di ba?
Eh, Pitex oh. Pitex MOA. Sakay tayo. Malamig pa. Relax. Pangbawi sa init.
While we're riding inside the bus, Daddy also showed me some of his throwback pictures with me and the family as a special tribute.
Ay. Baby pa siya.
Oo, pakita mo kaya yan. Pakita mo kaya yan. Ako kasi maliit pa lang, no? Ito, tatlo tayo. Alala mo yun?
Ah, kilay-lay yan.
Birthday di mo na yata yun.
Oo. Birthday ni mo. Ako.
Sa Island 2.
Oo, kami nila yan. Kasi lolo ko.
Sila pa sa kanya, dalawa yung lahat.
2019 yan.
Island 2.
Pirates. Ayan, babarilan.
Nagkaroon akong bumaril. M16 police.
Kasama mo si lolo ko.
Wala, nag-aaral ako niya. Mayo. Binata ko. Escort. Wala. Tawag din. Si Louie.
Oo, kasi ko Louie.
Si Louie. Si Castro. Ayun na si Louie.
Oo, si best friend.
Grabe din namin yun. Itik eh.
Kami ni siya.
Ayan, binyag ng si Louie. Diyan kami nakilala. Nagkita ng mami mo.
Oo.
Isang ano na yan. Kumari kong mami mo.
Kamukha niya si Bobby Andrews din.
Sa hotelyer na yan. Ayun, hotelyer.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun.
1990s?
93.
93.
Wala ka ba niyan?
Tamo ko yan. Meron ako yun.
Oo, ba yan?
2016. Opo. Unang pagkikita namin.
Ito.
Sa sa SM Molino 2019 yung lamay ni Lolo po. Tungin natin si Tita Rachel sa BGC.
Grand Town.
Oo. Elijah. Nag-ilsa. Ang cute na no, ni Baby Zoe.
Yung isa takanjag.
Si Mabo. Anong year po yan?
1993.
1993?
Ay, 1993 pala.
Oo nga, si Mabo. Kilala. Si Lolo pong nasan?
Wala yun.
Nagano? Mandarin.
Oo. Ay, ewan ko eh. Siya kumuha eh. Wala siya eh. Baka siya nag-picture niya. Nakalimutan ko na.
Oo nga.
Okay na?
Apo. We are now asking going after ng Father's Day trip with Daddy and Lisa. Maraming salamat sa mga manood. This is Nino sa Japan. Episode 30, the Father's Day special. Arigato. Oichika. Tara and arigato po all our watchers. So this is the happy bonding that we do in SM Makati, SM MOA, and in Makati City as well with Daddy Dennis in our food trip and pasyal as we celebrate the Father's Day. And for a special production, we give you here on Ninong sa Japan episode 30. Thank you to my Daddy ko Dennis that I have you for this special slide of Father's Day. I will always love you and miss you also, and we hope to see you again in another months or years. So this is our slide food trip pasyal that I presented to you. This is our Father's Day special event that we have a simple bonding, and to all of our OFW and non-OFW in Japan to Philippines, I hope you discover an idea where you can spend the Father's Day with your daddies and the family as well. So once again, this is your Nino and Daddy Dennis in our special Father's Day presentation for Ninong sa Japan episode 30. Thank you, Daddy, for these wonderful days and for bringing me life here in Earth.
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless all of us. And this is the end of our Ninong sa Japan episode 30, the Father's Day special. This is also presented by Lolo Pong and Mamus Video Vlogs, one of our vlog department, to be a partner and subsidiaries of your Ninong TV. So, you've just discovered me and my daddy have a special bonding collaboration in that day in Makati, that we do a food trip, and we do also the eating of Japanese foods, and of course the bus ride and exploring some of the historical places and the great ambience that you will see in Makati City, because we know Makati is business center and the place that you can discover the big buildings in the Metro Manila and the great spots, right? So we've traveled there as our Father's Day bonding, and my message to all of the daddies in the world: Happy Father's Day. Thank you for building a family for us, for building the sons and daughters that you made, and to educate and to love and to sustain. So we hope all fathers in the world will sustain. And to all of daddies in Japan, Oto-san, Happy Father's Day to all of you. So mushi mushi and arigato for carrying the okasan also, the mother, because mother and father first before the junakis, or in Japanese term they call this as the akachan, the babies, diba? So as a father, thank you for the care and love. So this is the end of our Ninong sa Japan. Please subscribe and like and comment, and you may buy this also for only 150 and 80 pesos full screen record. Make this as a gift to your dad. This video vlog, watch this and have some idea with your Ninong and Daddy Dennis that we did, and make it also to your daddies. Thank you, mushi mushi to all of you, and sayonara. Watch again and see you again here at Ninong sa Japan.
Made in Japan. So here are all the use in Japan technology. Wow. So check it out this day. Culture. You may watch this now as your Ninong and his family.
As long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry Seeth Kingoff, Philippine Business.
Arise, take your place, be enthroned on our praise. Arise, King of Kings, Holy God, as we sing.